Hi guys, welcome to Fiverr review. This is my channel guys. If you come to watch first time on my channel, please subscribe and smash the like button. Okay guys, let's get started. Today I will review with conversion rate optimization, convert visitor into buyer. This is a Fiverr land course guys. This course costs for $48. So today I will review this course benefits and this course buyer feedback also. So watch video completely guys, never miss steps on every steps. Now see guys, this is 4.9%. 4.9 is a rating. This 21 reviews is already purchased. Customers provide the 21 reviews. Okay, lots of customers provide buying the this course, but some customers provide for the honest feedback. So this is why 21 reviews. Otherwise, now see guys, this is 30-day money back guarantee plus unlimited access anywhere and anytime, and learn from and verified instructions expert in the field. Okay, I will give the link in the description below guys. You will check it for this demo video or the intro video for this course creator Miss Rita. Okay, how this course is covered the subject guys. This chapter 1 is course introduction, what to expect, and course folder, and chapter 2 calculating your conversion rate in the setting to hold, and definition conversion rate, and calculating your conversion rate, and understanding industry benchmark, plus working back for your revenue target and calculation, plus chapter 3 is removing friction from your funnel. Introduction, the marketing funnel, streamlining the checkout process, improving site speed, and making your site more accessible, and conclusion. And chapter 4, optimizing your landing page. Introduction and home page and landing page and encapsulations, urgency and scarcity, and social proof and conclusion. And chapter 5, experiments and optimization. Introduction, why A/B test, setting up test, measuring result, and cues. Chapter 6, conclusions, Fiverr seller pitch, what we learned, and last one is final cues. Okay, now come to the point of this course description guys. If you want to learn to make money from your website from your traffic you are already getting without spending a single extra time on advertising, your answer to this question is resounding yes. This course is for you. So a mix of marketing frameworks, exercise live demos, and over 30 real world examples, you will learn why conversion rate optimization is the best kept secret to driving revenue to your online business. From removing friction in your marketing funnel, so landing page optimization will show you the simple and effective approach to turn most eyeballs into clicks and click into real business result. And this course ideal for individuals who are ready to take their website to a new level. That is the course description guys. Now see guys, this course you will purchasing today is 30% off. That is the main factor guys. Use this coupon code. I will give the link in the description below for this coupon code. You will access. Okay, now come to the reviews. Now see guys, the great course and exceptional delivery, thank you, and great insight, thank you Anna and Josepher Jospierre. Overall it was a great course. I learned new things. I want to optimize conversion better than the problems I had a hard with the audio volume on some of the videos, and did learn some new things. I wish to post and more example of design best practice must have apps for conversation. That's it guys. You will see and check out for this course, and don't miss it for this coupon code also guys. And thank you for watching. I will see you next video. Have a good day.